Hello dear friends. In this video, I am going to introduce you to the Implement Balanced Scorecards step-by-step course. This course is a comprehensive course that teaches you how to implement the Balanced Scorecard or BSC in the organization. In this course, the step-by-step steps of designing and implementing BSC in line with the goals of strategy and performance management are reviewed using this tool. This course is currently around €40. And if you prepare this course, you can have full-time access to this course. Of this course is currently 1 hour. And after completing this course, you will receive a certificate. If there is a new version for the course, you can use the new version by updating the course. You are going to learn the following topics. Understand the Balanced Scorecard framework and its 4 perspectives. Developing strategic goals and selecting appropriate performance indicators. And other topics. I am going to make this course available to you for free, and you can access all parts of the course for free and completely legally, and even get a certificate without paying. Your browser and search skilldiscounts.com in your search engine. Click on this link among the results to make sure that the website address is the same one that is being shown here. After clicking on the link, you will enter the main page of skilldiscounts.com. You can see all the courses offered on Udemy website with a discount coupon, including our desired course that you can see here. To access the discount coupon for this course, just click on this link. Page will open for you. You can see the course details here. And to access the discount coupon for this course, scroll to the bottom of the page and click on the Go to the Course button. See, I was able to get this course for free through skilldiscounts.com. And now instead of €40, I get this course for free. That there are currently 4 days left of the discount period and days of discount coupons have been automatically applied to you. You can use this free and legal course so easily. If you want to use other free and legal Udemy courses, you can see other sections of skilldiscounts.com. To different categories. Or go to all free online courses. And search for your desired course. The video useful, you can share it with your friends so that they can also get such training. If you like and subscribe to us, I will thank you. Have a nice day.